In question 14, it's asking us to find a formula for the inverse of f of x if f of x is equal to x cubed minus 5. So you can see our f of x here, x cubed minus 5. And we just need to find the inverse. So you want to think about it as y equals, not f of x, because the first step we do is we switch all of the x's and all of the y's. So instead of y equals x cubed minus 5, we have x equals y cubed minus 5. And then the first step that I did is I put everything besides the y, because I'm solving for y, which means I need to get y by itself. So I put everything that wasn't y on one side. So I took this negative 5 and I moved it over with the x. So now I have x cubed equals x plus 5, because I added 5 to the other side. And then to get y by itself, since it's being cubed, I had to take the cubed root. When I take the cubed root, I get y by itself, right? But to balance the equation, you have to do it to both sides. So I took the cubed root of the other side. So I now have y by itself. So the inverse function is, f of x inverse function is the cubed root of x plus 5. So please check this with a graph. And I'm going to erase all of this. And then I'm going to get rid of this. And look, I graphed it, right? X cubed minus 5 is the blue graph. And the cubed root of x plus 5 is the red graph. And of course, inverse functions are symmetrical about y equals x, about the origin. So that's the green line. So you can totally see that if you folded the blue and the red line across the green line, that each blue part would match up with each red part if you folded it there. So like I've said before in class, you may not be able to get the right answer, but you can always check and know that you have an incorrect answer.